Hi, welcome. I hope you're doing well. So today I want to tell you the power of networking. You see, most times when we are doing certain things, we do not understand that if you want to go further, you have to go with people. This is not about talking just about the team you work with or people that you collaborate with. The power of networking is essential. I've noticed that in my journey, I have had a lot of people that I met at a conference, at a wedding, at an event, at somebody's house, or somebody's friend. That has helped me in a great deal in stepping to the next level in my career and education. Mostly, we don't understand what it means to network with the right people. Look, not everyone is supposed to be your friend. There is networking that needs to be done to limit certain people, but there are people you can always reach out to be able to do things with. Or the person can always link you up with someone else that will help you in your journey. And so when you find yourself at a place, don't just be an island and not go up to people to talk to them or try to get to know people. Some of us do that a lot. Like we go to programs, we go to places. You can meet people at just anywhere. Is it a concert? Is it at the beach? Anywhere. And those people you meet, there might be that one person that you need to change the trajectory of your life, right? And so as at every particular point in time, I always advise that you have the right networks and you build the right relationships. So, a practical way of how to approach someone and network with a person if you struggle with doing that. Hi, my name is Leha Dobia Abdullah. I am very passionate about empowering girls and women in tech. I do this by running a social enterprise called Divaloper, and over the years, we've been able to build girls in tech from zero knowledge to coding. We've also been able to train leaders and business entrepreneurs. How about you? What do you do? The second way to also, you can go soft, maybe not going from a business angle, especially if you're unemployed, right? You can just go, hi, my name is Zuleha Dobia Abdullah. I just completed university and I studied logistics. I am very, very enthused about how companies are able to bring in things from outside the country. And so I'm exploring ways of getting into importation. Do you know anyone that could actually help me in this field? I would really love to connect with the person. You see, these are two ways of networking with people. You can do this through a text or you can meet the person and say this. But this helps you to tone down and already let the person know exactly what you do or where you are going to. And if the person has the skill or the capacity or knows anyone who can help you in that field, the person will be able to do that. Let me give you a practical example of how I got into one of Ghana's prestigious women networks. So I went to an event because I was invited to speak. And after I spoke, I saw one lady that I really look up to, and she came and she also gave a speech. Right after she was done, she was sitting there after some time, and I went to her and approached her. I was like, "Hi, my name is Leha Dobia Abdullah. I run a social enterprise called Divaloper, and over the years, I've been training girls in tech. I just came back from Uganda, and I won an award as a leader in the AI and tech trainings in Africa. I noticed that you are part of this organization. If I'm not mistaken, I think that I have sent somewhere that you are the chair. I noticed that in the templates of what you shared with our participants, I saw the name there. Am I mistaken? Are you really the chair of this organization? I applied, but I'm still waiting for a call to that application." And she was like, "Oh, hi, yes, okay, you're doing amazing. Oh, I didn't know that. I think that there's a backlog of registration and I think they will be getting back to you. But it's really nice to connect with you and see what you're doing for girls. You are doing amazing." That was what she said. And after a month or two, I got an email. I being accepted into this prestigious women group. Did my conversation with her push it? I don't know. But I think that at least when they were reviewing my applications, they sort of like knew exactly what I was doing. And because she could put a face to what I was doing. It made it easier for me to be accepted in that prestigious group. So this is the power of networking. This is what would help you go further in life. If you're not networking right and networking with the right people, you'd realize that you're doing so much work, but you end up being burnt out. So connect with the right people, approach them well with your plan and what you do and what you seek to really get from that relationship, which is similar to mentorship, but networking is the step for you to be able to get a mentor afterwards. Catch you in the next video.